Work management. System development is not done only with computer technology. We will briefly explain the system development and development work management side of project activities. We will also explain attitudes that relate to software quality. 1. Organization of system development. Generally, the system development organization will differ depending on the scale of the system. A. Small-scale system development. Small-scale development usually refers to the system development that will be used by a single section. In cases like this, the Information Systems Department, which will play the main role in the system development, and the department that will use the system, put together the project. The participation of the section that will use the system is essential in building a good system. B. Large-scale system development. A large-scale system will have a direct impact on the company's operation. Because of this, it generally is handled as a big project. The same is true for national projects. In these cases, independent system development companies will usually participate in addition to the multiple user departments that are related to the project and the Information Systems Department that will play the promotional role. The project leader organizes the project organization from the system development planning stage. The organization normally disbands after the project is completed. Thus, the actual person in charge of the project activities is the project leader. There are various types of project organization. The most famous are the Chief Programmer Team, Specialist Team and Hierarchical Team. 2. Progress management. The objective of progress management is to understand the progress status of the work based on the development plan. When problem points are found, they are dealt with promptly. In system development projects with multiple people participating, a delay by a single person has an influence on the others. It also causes overall delays. Because of this, it is normal to submit progress status reports in 3 stages. These are usually submitted weekly, weekly report, monthly, monthly report, and during each process, process completion report. The project later receives these reports and issues appropriate instructions. It must be remembered that project control is something that is supported by each person. Three. Quality control. The increase in information systems means that when system troubles occur, they have a large influence on people's lives. The quality of a system does not only mean that there are few errors and that it does not break down. Just as was mentioned in the structuring methodology, various elements are included. However, as long as the elements of a system are software, the basics are the accuracy of the programs. Management of the cumulative number of errors discovered in the testing stage is carried out in order to improve the quality of software. When the development process has been managed well, these cumulative error numbers form a curve like a figure. After time has passed from the start of the tests, the cumulative numbers converge. This curve is called the bug curve or the degree of reliability growth curve. In actual quality control, a bug control chart is used with graphs of the number of bugs detected, the number of unexecuted test items and the number of unresolved bugs, and the coverage indicated by the fluctuation in bugs and the bug fix rate, is investigated. The thing that needs to be watched in quality control is the problem of the cost of going backwards. In other words, when development has proceeded to a downstream process and an upstream process mistake is discovered, it will require a lot of effort to fix it. For example, if an error in internal design is discovered after the programming, the program design and the programming will all have to be done over again. There is an old saying, build quality in the process. Remember that careful work in each progress will create good quality.